Basic sight words and sentences. Under, 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 ball, ball, ball. Chair, chair, chair. The ball is under the chair. The ball is under the chair. The ball is under the chair. What is under the chair? The ball. The ball is under the chair. Where is the ball? Under the chair. The ball is under the chair. Boat, boat, boat. Under, under, under. Bridge, bridge, bridge. The boat is under the 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 bridge. What is under the bridge? The boat is under the bridge. Where is the boat? Under the bridge. The boat is under the bridge.
Thank you for learning with us. For more free lessons, subscribe, like, and share this video. And for free printable worksheet, visit our Facebook page at iCan Tutorial Services.